Ask Tom on Home Show.
Perry from Egypt, Texas has a question about water filtration.
You know, he's confused by one of our videos, Tom, and so he's written for clarity. And so Perry writes,
Good.
You said whole home water filtration systems are expensive to maintain and not necessary. Water softener is the way to go. But then you said you prefer filtered water over regular tap water. So now I am confused. Install a filtration system or not? I've read that water softeners make water soft, but you can still be ingesting dangerous water, can't you?
Yes. The answer is yes to that comment at the very end. And it is because I am not a licensed communicator. I'm more of an architect engineer guy, so my communication skills sometimes might be wrong, so I'll take the blame. But you need both in Texas. The water softener softens the water. Absolutely right. What you read was right on. And it takes care of your pipes when you bathe, when you use soap, when you clean your clothes. Takes care of the water heater, keeps all the hardness from building up on your shower glass doors and things of that nature. The filter is for putting down your gullet, whether it's tea, coffee, boiling potatoes, making a sauce, I don't care what you're doing, or maybe even getting sauced and you're thinning it out. You need to have nice filtered water for that. And that's why both systems are incredibly important in Texas for good quality water for different reasons. So, bottom line, water softener on the whole house, not a whole house filter, because that doesn't filter it enough to become a drinkable water because it recontaminates. Once it goes through the whole house filter, now it goes back into the dirty pipes, the dirty water heater, the dirty shower heads, the dirty faucet screens. And so you're getting recontaminated filtered water that you spent so much money on filtering. The only time you would have a whole house is if you had a sediment issue from either well or a lake or something where you had to get sand and stuff out of the water. Then you'd put it on the whole house. And that's not going to be for drinking. That's just to get the sediment out. Water softeners for softening, and then of course filtering. I'm a reverse osmosis guy, and so I would tell you reverse osmosis is the best way to go. And if you can get your hands on the Kinetico line of water softeners and the K5 water station, the drinking water station like I have in my own house, that's a perfect system for Texas. In the Houston area, we can always call Aquatex.
Well, you answered that. So click the Ask Tom button if you got another question. See how well Tom can answer everything and leave nothing for me to ask, okay? You can send a video. You can write to us. We're happy to hear from you. And if you do write to us, send us a picture right there. You see it says pictures help. They really do. And that's what we're doing. We're helping answer questions not only for you, but for everybody. And you'll find lots more of these, by the way, on our YouTube channel, hundreds of them over the years. And you can watch Tom and I, our hairs change color and we change in size and all that if you really want to go way back.
Okay.
We have
mine changed to scalp.
Yeah, we used to record these in a closet, and so those are still up there too on our YouTube channel. And let's see what else. Oh, and they're on our Facebook page, and of course we post them every day at HomeShowRadio.com.